Stop for a moment before you brush your teeth tonight. This small pause could save your smile, your gums, and even your dental health for years to come. Most people over 60 believe they are brushing correctly. But small, daily mistakes are quietly causing lasting damage without anyone realizing it. Bleeding gums, tooth sensitivity, yellowing teeth, bad breath that never fully disappears. These are not just normal signs of aging. They are warnings that your daily routine may need a serious adjustment. Today we're going to fix it step by step, so you can protect your teeth, gums, and confidence for years to come. Today we focus on one of the most common routines everyone thinks they do right but actually do wrong. Brushing your teeth is not just hygiene. It's protection against pain, infection, and costly dental work. And here's the truth. Most people are doing it wrong. Even if they brush twice a day every day. Electric toothbrushes are marketed as better, faster, and more powerful than manual brushes. And yes, they can clean more efficiently if you know how to use them. The problem? Most people use an electric toothbrush like a manual one. Fast, aggressive, back-and-forth scrubbing. That's not cleaning, that's erosion. Imagine washing a luxury car with sandpaper. That's what you're doing to your enamel every day. Enamel doesn't grow back once it's gone. And your gums suffer silently, pulling back gradually, becoming sensitive, sometimes bleeding. One of the most common mistakes is brushing too hard. Pressing down does not clean better. It slowly wears away enamel and irritates your gums. Enamel is your tooth's protective layer. Once it's gone, it never returns. Receding gums, sensitivity, and higher dental bills follow this mistake. Fix it by holding the brush lightly like a pen and letting it do the work. Think of brushing like polishing a fine piece of furniture. Aggressive scrubbing ruins the finish, gentle strokes protect it. Another common mistake is moving too fast, rushing from one tooth to the next. Quick movements prevent the brush from reaching all surfaces effectively. Each tooth needs a few seconds of focused attention. Slow, deliberate movements are far more effective than fast scrubbing. Think of it like painting a wall. Rushing leaves streaks. Careful strokes create perfect coverage. Time also matters. 2 minutes is the gold standard. Most people stop well before that, thinking their teeth are already clean. Those missed seconds add up over days, weeks, and months. Plaque builds silently, stains appear, and small problems grow into major dental issues. Using the brush's timer ensures you spend every second effectively. That simple habit alone can transform your oral health. Your mouth isn't one flat surface, it has 4 zones. Top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Neglecting any area allows bacteria to build up. Balanced attention prevents cavities and gum disease from developing silently. Spend about 30 seconds per zone for even thorough cleaning. This small structure can make a big difference over time. The angle of your toothbrush matters more than most people realize. If the brush lies flat against your teeth, it misses the gum line. That's where plaque accumulates and gum disease often begins. Tilting the brush about 45 degrees toward your gums allows it to clean the areas that matter most. This small adjustment protects enamel and gums simultaneously. It's one of the easiest changes you can make for long-term oral health. Brushing immediately after meals is another hidden mistake, especially after acidic foods like citrus, tomatoes, or soda. Your enamel temporarily softens after eating. Brushing too soon is like scrubbing wet cement. It causes damage instead of protection. Wait about 30 minutes after meals to allow saliva to naturally rebalance your mouth. Then brush safely without harming enamel. Finally, check your brush head. Worn or frayed bristles don't clean effectively and may spread bacteria. Replace your brush head every 3 months, or sooner if bristles are bent. This ensures every brushing session is safe and effective. When you combine all these adjustments consistently, Gentle pressure, slow motion, 2 full minutes, proper zones, correct angle, waiting after meals, and fresh brush heads. You protect enamel, strengthen gums, reduce sensitivity, and prevent expensive dental issues. Daily small habits become long-term results that last decades. It's not about buying a better toothbrush. It's about using the one you have smarter every single day. Small improvements each day lead to a stronger, healthier smile. You save money on dental care, gain confidence, and protect your teeth for life. So tonight, when you pick up your toothbrush, do it differently. Follow these steps. Protect your smile. Make every brushing session count. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to VitaSignal 60. Share in the comments which adjustment you'll try first. Your change could inspire someone else to protect their smile too.